up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is probably the second video and we're starting the day and the video by beating Anaita's ass.
Yeah, I think beating him yesterday was not enough. Yeah. So we're having a rematch.
Let's see.
The chalk is on the table. Good start.
Good break, no shit.
Good break.
No rules.
Oh.
It is we're on land, so I'm someone to hold true. Keep you cool when it's still alive. Won't let you down when it's all ruined. Just the same way you showed me.
Right, so something happened. I underestimated Anaita and she did beat my ass. She did.
Wow.
See, I didn't lie.
He's admitting it.
I didn't lie.
Last night he was lying, by the way.
Yeah, but now the problem is I can't lock eyes with her. I'm too embarrassed. यार मेरे को बहुत मेरा मेल ego एकदम down the drain. Good morning guys. So the troublemaker has caused a lot of trouble and we were in the bus going to the station and she's lost her passport. She forgot her passport in the locker and like a good gentleman Chirag is going with her to find her passport and we are stranded in the middle of nowhere, but like this is a great place to lose your passport at, I think. Wow.
If you could die and come back to life, up for air from the swimming
Guys,
pool.
Miss Troublemaker has made it to Luzerne with her passport intact, all thanks to yours truly. And we are here, and I'll show you around. Say, where do you want to eat? There? Or find somewhere else?
I want to have bread butter.
Bread butter? Bread and olive oil?
Yes.
Wow, insane. No, but we'll sit inside. Fucking cold.
Come on, be a man.
कुछ भी. What's up gang? सोचो मैं क्या चीज़ खा रहा हूँ. नहीं पता मैं क्या चीज़ खा रहा हूँ. What? That's my humor. Why? My audience knows it. It's for my audience. You know. क्या चीज़ है?
Jackson, all this shit. Say what up to Reddit, the shoe. Say what up to Benny. Say what up to life. I'm telling you. Rolling up my bikes, running up. I'm from me, 18, still in granny six. Take it, give me some sweet. Which I might like, you won't tell it.
So where are we?
Lucerne.
वो तो पता है उनको भी पता है, but where are we right now? What are we doing?
We're going to the Museum
Okay.
of Transportation.
Yeah, more. ऐसा ही accent मार.
We're going to the Museum of Transportation.
Thank you. That's from me, no?
Yeah,
Avni, there's a better person than you. एक तो I let you win in pool. उसके बाद भी ऐसे कर रही है मेरे साथ.
You win.
मैं इसको आज फिर से हमने मैच करे हैं.
हारी है.
और जी हारेगी. मेरे से जीत सकता है कोई? चालू थोड़ी आ गई मेरे खानों.
The same one, just with like one.
को सीन याद आ गया मेरे को शीश महल में.
Guys, come here, we'll take a group selfie.
Guys, we're done with the museum. अब पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हैं, शायद वापस होटल जा रहे हैं और रात को मस्ती करेंगे, तो मैं दिखाता हूँ. What's up guys, we finally checked in. I'm in Luzerne, I don't know, but I just want to show you around the suite because it's beautiful again and the view immaculate. Wait, hold on just a second. Here, see, this is how we enter the room and this is a couch here, beautiful TV, beautiful view. Hold on, let's get some fresh air. Thanda. Check karo bhai, check kar, okay. Nespresso, perfecto, bellissimo, that's Italian. Okay, one couch here, oh, the two sofas here, whatever. This is how I can give a room tour because I'm not actually a travel creator, right? So, nice balcony again. with the amazing view. Good mirror, udhar. Yeah, this is the closet. Okay, guys, and my bag's already here, so that's sweet. Also, this is a nice mirror I can get pictures at, and the washer room. Okay, sweet. This is the washroom. Nice hot tub. GG. Okay. What's this? Shower. Sweet. And yeah, this is it. This is it. And I haven't vlogged too much today because the entire day was traveling. इधर उधर passport खो गया, इधर वापस अकेले गए, वो तुम समझ रहे हो, बहुत hectic, very hectic. Now Chirag's gonna take a nap. We do have a toy train to catch. Basically, I don't know what actually is. It's like a toy train. It's gonna show us around the city. But मैं तो थक गई, क्या करूँ? मेरा What to do now? What to do? So I am thinking I'm gonna sleep, and if I do wake up, let's say in the next 1 hour, so I will go with the group. Otherwise, I'm just gonna carry on with my sleeping. It's been good. It's been a good first day for this vlog. Alright, bye. See you later. What's up people? It's a fresh day and Chirag कल बहुत भर के सोया and we woke up early in the morning. It's like what 9:30 right now, and we took a train from Luzern to Engelberg, which is where the Titlis mountain is, where people go right now. I'm surrounded with snow. There's snow on the fucking rail tracks also. I'm not sure if you can see that, but that is fucking beautiful people. That is beautiful, just like you and me, and that's it. सिर्फ तुम beautiful हो और सिर्फ मैं beautiful हूँ, बाकी सारे बेकार है एकदम. But now we go up and I'll shoot some content first here for Instagram, because ये तो मैं सिर्फ टाइम पास कर रहा हूँ. मेरे को YouTube पे कोई पैसा थोड़ी दे रहा है मेरे को, ये सब तुम्हें दिखाने के लिए, इतनी मेहनत करने के लिए. But Instagram से तो मुझे पैसा मिलेगा ना. So okay, चलो चिराग जा रहा है पैसा कमाने. बाय. What's the correct way to do this? This is back.
Isn't it?
I think so. It should be. Oh, sun is coming out. Look. This is a bad helmet, no?
Yeah, I think it's a good one.
It's a bad helmet. So this is the hotel we are staying in. This is how it looks बाहर से. What's up people? It's a new day in Lucerne, and कल I showed you Titlis, which was really fun, and I couldn't record everything because तुम समझो यार कैमरा कैसे हर चीज, मतलब fun things I couldn't record, समझ रहे हो, जैसे like snowmobile, and then we did like a winter slide that we did, and then we took like a few trolleys. ये वो टाइम बस मजा आया था लेकिन मेरे को उस टाइम पे, but I couldn't record it because of course कैसे कैमरा ट्राइपॉड सेट दिखाऊं बर्फ के बीच में -6 degrees, जहाँ पे मतलब सब छोटा था, दिमाग भी छोटा हो रखा था उस टाइम पे, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था. एंड उसके बाद हमने टाइम पास करा, रात को बाहर गए, पार्टी वार्टी करी, हुक अप किया, व्हिच इज नाइस ऑलवेज, शीशा इज ऑलवेज गुड। रात को आया लेट, सोया, नाउ वी आर अप एंड दिस इज द लास्ट डे हियर एंड देन टुमारो वी गो टू Zurich and today's plan is to go to the Christmas market nearby here and then ice skating. I am taking my tripod, I am taking my camera, but there are no promises that I will record everything. But yes, this is it. This is where I should go on my day. Alright, bye.
I get it. Way you got me all in my head. Think I'd rather you in my bed. Whatever it is, you know I can take it. Counting the days, how many days till I can see you again. Oh, kisses like we a good human life.
Chiragha, you can smile.
People with us,
I will
baby,
smile.
you so shy. If I could get in, drop me a pin.
समोसा चाहिए।
Wanna be friends, skin to skin. I wanna get closer and closer and closer. The way you got me all in my head. Think I'd rather you in my bed. Whatever it is, you know I can take it. Counting the days, how many days till I can see you again.
That's why they don't have it. They had to academy for that.
You like it? Amazing.
Take it.
My bed. You got me on my bed. You got me on my bed.
Stop chat. We're back from the Christmas thing. कितनी गंदी आइस स्केटिंग थी, मैंने करी नहीं, बच्चों वाली थी. But yes, I'm a girls' girl and we're chilling, gossiping. 3 of us. That's Anaita. You've seen her so many times in the vlog. And that's Ishika, sober girl. So इनको मैं थोड़ा दिल्ली सिखा रहा हूँ.
1 second.
अरे but I'm teaching you Delhi ना, थोड़ा सा दिल्ली तो आ गया होगा तेरे को.
आती है दिल्ली.
मेरे को आती है दिल्ली. God, never mind. But this is what we're doing, and tomorrow's Zurich, and that's it for today. Bye.
Baby, I'm here to stay. I can't go nowhere. I know it's scary, 'cause you've been hurt. Baby, it's alright. Lost in your eyes every time that you look in mine. I promise to be all that you need. I won't leave you, baby. No, 'cause I just wanna love you. I would never ever put nobody up above you. I just wanna kiss you, baby. I just wanna hug you till the end, baby, till the end. 'Cause I'm right here. Ain't nobody gotta hold you. 'Cause I'm right here. Ain't nobody gonna control you. 'Cause I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm right here. Right here. Right here.
What's up, chat? अब हम आ गए Zurich and so the official trip has ended and ये मैं जय भाई के साथ हूँ and हम कुछ लोगों ने एक्सटेंड करा लिया है, जय, अवनीत, मेघना एंड मैं, एंड नाउ Zurich for 2 days and मिस मेघना ने आइटनरी बनाई है जो कोई फॉलो तो बिल्कुल नहीं करने वाला, अपना घूमेंगे, दोनों पंटर, दोनों गर्ल्स अपना घूमेंगी. Yes, that's life. चलो, okay, bye.
To make this thing go right. Promise to be all that you need. I won't leave you, baby, no. 'Cause I just wanna love you. I would never ever put nobody else above you. I just wanna kiss you, baby. I just wanna hug you till the end, baby, till the end. 'Cause I'm right here. Ain't nobody gotta hold you. 'Cause I'm right here. Ain't nobody gonna control you. 'Cause I'm right.
Oh, चक लो, चक लो, चक लो.
Gingerbread house special.
लाओ पाजी. Thank you पाजी.
Look here. Everyone is getting like 2 bowls, हाँ मतलब.
Everyone's getting to go. Guys, तुम्हें खुशबू नहीं आएगी लेकिन बहुत ही अच्छी है, trust me.
Refill कर रहे हैं लोग पास्ते.
पाजी, टेस्ट
चेक करो, चेक करो,
चख ले क्या?
चेक करो, सिस्टम चेक करो.
ट्रफल पास्ता चख लो. वाओ. What the fuck?
that good?
Oh, this is the best. खत्म ना हो ऐसा है.
खत्म हो जाए.
ना हो खत्म चलता रहे.
अच्छा हो like that.
Wow.
और ट्रफल उसने एक्स्ट्रा डाला ऊपर से और टेस्टी.
समझा कर क्या रहे हो तुम?
तुम अब देखो
हम
लग रहा है.
पास्ता खा रहे हैं, तुम समोसा ले आए हो यहाँ पे
अब लग रहा है
क्रिसमस
चखना.
मार्केट इन ज्यूरिक. having samosas. Let's go baby. गाइस देखो सुपरस्टार 30 मिलियन. ये पास्ता खा रही है लेकिन हम पंजाबी लड़के बुढ़ा.
चेक कर.
चेक कर.
Not bad.
Sorry Avneet. Sorry. Pasta sorry guys, sorry. Nothing happened. It's all fine. What's up people? Last day in Switzerland and pretty late. बहुत लेट उठा मैं कल रात भर हम बाहर थे. मस्त कर रहे थे, enjoy सड़कों पे घूम रहे थे, नाच फिर रहे थे ट्रेन के अंदर. We reached home really late and woke up pretty late. Last day late तो नहीं उठना चाहिए था, थोड़ा घूमना फिरना चाहिए था last day तो, but कोई नहीं, it's a vibe. But on and on, it's been a very fun fucking trip and I'm sure you guys can see most of the fun things in the vlog. I'm pretty sure I don't have to cut things out later, but I might have to. I don't know. बहुत wild चीजें भी हुई है. But yeah, this is it. And please like, subscribe, and share. Please. Everything is expensive, man. Please. Okay, I'll show you my outfit and I'll show you my last day. Cool. Bye. Okay, sure. This is the fit. Grey pants, black knitwear sweater, zipped up, dark grey trench coat. Black tote bag, black sunglasses. This is it. This is, I think, very chic, man. This is very classy. And अभी तक पूरी vlog में मैंने बिल्कुल एक बार भी नहीं बोला है. The iconic, the most Govinda line. All set, all right. Baskets gonna rock, baskets gonna shock. Okay, I'll see you on my day. Bye.
The bar don't match the bike. Me and my old man, we just get fucked up every night. He said, son, these hoes just don't love you. I said, I'll keep that in mind. Those ain't words to live by, wouldn't call that sound advice. Our future.
Going to have some burgers. Remember that place in Luzon where we had the most delicious, amazing, juicy burgers? We found the same branch in Zurich and we're walking towards there and we're gonna eat that. Life is good, guys. Life is good. Guys, it's the perfect last day ever because we found a thrift store in Zurich. I'm going to check it out. This is it. Let's just hope this is good.
Talk with your friends, got you changing your mind. Talking to your girl, I miss my friends, you know too much of them have died.
Guys, I'm in heaven. It's literal heaven. For all of this and Meghna still shopping, so we have more. These two sweaters also I got. This one is for Nandini for our Christmas gift and this is from me so we can wear like matching Christmassy sweaters. What's up guys? My voice is gone fully. I don't know. Think I have iced coffee in the morning और बर्फ से पूरा जम गया, सब जम गया अंदर. But yeah, it's done, man. It's done. Today was the last day. बहुत shopping करी. I don't want to show you like everything I got. I think I stopped the vlog at the vintage store, but then I found like a few more curated boutique stores where we found like some crazy shit for like deal prices, steal prices. I did some Christmas shopping, but even though Santa Claus is not paying for everything, but Chirag is, and credit card score is 0. Some damage, but it was really fun, and I will show you everything I purchased once I'm back in Bombay. I've already packed everything, but I just want to show you this thing because I got beautiful
Beautiful. But yeah, this is it guys. This is it. This is where we close the video. बस दुआ में याद रखना. Okay, bye. Ciao.
Way too true.